KO? Did he get banged?
He passed out.
While doing grab food.
Yeah.
And then at least move his hands out of the pavement now.
No,
Walao.
it's still within the pavement.
Yeah lah, but dangerous lah. Walao, his hands like that. What happened to him?
Pass out. I think it's exhaustion. Heat exhaustion. Weather too hot.
Yeah. It's okay, it's okay. Rise. Rise, my friend. You got water or not?
I don't want water.
There's water or not? Oh. Oh, he hit his knee there. Hit his knee.
Yeah lah, because it dropped on him. Okay lah. This time I got people who are clean.
Is that chocolate milk? It's not his blood, definitely not blood lah.